class, I'm going to show you how to make a battery out of some tin foil, some coins, vinegar, and some salt. First you need a piece of tin foil that needs to be about 2 inches wide and 8 inches long. Then you need to fold it. In threes, and then fold it once more. And then you need to cut about 4 inches off. And then that part's done. And then you need to put a paper towel over ceramic or plastic plate. You cannot use metal or paper. And then you need to put the piece of tin foil in the middle of the plate. Like that. And then you also need 4 small squares of paper towels, and you put that in a quarter cup of vinegar and a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to be building the battery on this corner right here. Now we need a square of the paper towels. Make sure you squeeze all of it out because it cannot be wet, like dripping wet. You need to put it down, the piece of paper towel down first, and then you take a penny and stack it, and then you take a nickel and put it on top, just like that. The penny's underneath, and so is the paper towel. And then you need to do that again. So grab another one. Now, when you do this, the pieces of paper towel that you stack on top cannot be too big, so for it to drip, not drip, but overlap with the other paper towels. And then you stack another penny on top and another nickel. And then you need to use your multimeter. So you clip the black piece to the tin foil, and then you hold the red piece on top. Now I'll have to open up my Logger Pro, and then if I hold the red piece on top, then I can get the voltage, and it's showing about 0.43 volts. So after you check it, disconnect. And then we are going to put another piece of paper towel on. And then you put a penny and another nickel. And then you use the the last piece of the paper towel. You put it over the nickel just like you did in the previous steps. And then you add your last penny and your last nickel. And then you need to connect again. And now it's reading about negative 0.34. And then, of course, you need to write down what they were, like what your findings were for the voltage. And then you need, if you do a chart, you need to make sure how many coins you used, and then do the voltage. Now I already did this experiment 2 different times before I recorded it. So that's it. And then just make sure you dispose of everything the proper way.